Milledgeville, the crowds here are always like high energy. Everybody's always like, it gets crazy on here. So we want another crazy Milledgeville experience.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? See, my heart is strong, but my will is swearing weary. Said I'm leaving come morning. Said I'm leaving.
This is our 1-year anniversary. Our first gig together ever was Sounds of the South last year. We had our whole drummer cancel. I called him up and I was like, hey man, any chance you're doing?
Like the crowd feels like they're more part of the band, and they're closer with the band almost, because they're literally right there in front of you and like almost touch them. And those big shows, you're so far back, and I mean it's awesome. It's great lighting, but like these are more just like raw and uncut.
Ways where you can love just one your whole life long, and they don't feel the same.
Everyone in this band can grow a man bun, and also everyone in Austin can grow a man bun. Yes, they can.
Let's do it right here, right now.
Yes.
I don't see why not. It's not.
Let's go. You got it?
Yeah.
Man bun central.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Drum roll. Shot.
My head to sleep, the voice inside keeps whispering. It says, are you where you wanna be? Are you where you wanna be? The love will come, but it won't come easy.